Alright, so here is the tutorial for Drawnames app. It's a Secret Santa application, so I'll show you the tutorial, so watch this till the end. First up, just simply open up the app. Once you open it up, it will ask you to create a group. So you just need to go ahead and press on create group, and right over here you just gotta put the group the name and then enter your budget and then your members. First up, I'm just gonna add a group name, so I'm just gonna type in party and then our budget is gonna be 5,000, and then member, just give them names. So names are gonna be like this, and yeah, something like this, and last one being this. So yeah, once you do this, just simply go ahead and press on create group right over here. Once this is done, you can just go ahead and press on view matches, and here, as you can see, you just need to press on share matches, and right over here you can share all the group people that you've added, and then directly share the message through any platform that you'd like to. Once this match has been shared, here, as you can see, you can just select gift to each other and then select the matches and then send in the end. So yeah, once the match is done, your Drawnames party app is done. So yeah, this was a tutorial for it, so I hope this truthfully helped you out. I'll see you soon.